In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear search history on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. After that, right here, tap at that gear to get into settings, and then scroll down until you find activity log. Then scroll down again, and towards the bottom of the screen, tap at logged actions and other activity to expand it. And that's where you can easily find at the very first position search history. You can tap on it. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find and clear your search history on Facebook. Just scroll down, and if you want to remove some entry from here, just tap at three dots next to it and then hit add delete and then delete again. If you want to clear the entire history, just scroll to the very top and then tap at clear searches. That's how you can easily clear search history on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.